If you're a fan of buffalo wings and blue cheese dressing, you're going to love this coleslaw. It has all those classic flavors packed into a crisp, crunchy side dish that's perfect for cookouts, sandwiches, burgers, or anything coming off the grill. We'll start by building the slaw. In a large mixing bowl, combine shredded cabbage, shredded carrot, now add the scallions, sliced celery, followed by the parsley. Give everything a quick toss to distribute the vegetables evenly before adding the dressing. Now let's make the dressing. In a medium bowl, add the mayonnaise, followed by the sour cream. Honey, honey. Apple cider vinegar. Garlic powder, onion powder, celery seed, and a pinch of black pepper and salt. Worcestershire sauce. Then pour in the buffalo wing sauce. Whisk everything together until the dressing is smooth and evenly combined. Pour about 3/4 of the dressing over the vegetables and begin tossing it. It's a party in the bowl. Lift the cabbage from the bottom of the bowl and fold it over the top until everything is coated. Add a little more dressing if needed. You want every bite to have flavor, but the slaw should not be swimming in the dressing. No life preservers here. And your favorite blue cheese dressing goes right in. Once the vegetables are coated, it's time for the blue cheese. Blue cheese. Add most of the crumbled blue cheese. Gently fold everything together. The goal is to keep some of those blue cheese crumbles intact so you get little pockets of flavor throughout the slaw. If you'd like a little more heat, add an extra splash of buffalo sauce. If it tastes too sharp, stir in a little honey. A touch more vinegar can brighten things up, and a spoonful of mayonnaise or sour cream will mellow the spice if needed. Once you're happy with the flavor, transfer the slaw to a serving bowl. Finish it with the remaining blue cheese, the reserved scallions if you kept them, a little parsley, and a light drizzle of buffalo sauce over the top. The result? Cool, crunchy coleslaw with just the right balance of tangy buffalo flavor and creamy blue cheese. It's a perfect side dish for burgers, pulled pork, grilled chicken, wings, or your favorite backyard barbecue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure in the kitchen.